Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the two chapters of GK. Third chapter Yoga for you and fourth chapter Literature Facts. Okay. So let's see here what is the lesson Yoga. Yoga for you. Third chapter. Yoga, we know it has originated in our country, in India. Yoga comes from a word, Sanskrit word, which means union. Yoga is coming from the Sanskrit word union, and which has originated in our country, in India. We have just recently celebrated the International Yoga Day on 21st of June. Yoga Day was celebrated, International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st of June, and here some asanas, yoga asanas are given, the posters are given. You have to keep your textbook open and see the pictures or images of different posters of yoga. Okay, so there is a help box given. I will read out all these yogasanas which is given, as we have to find out which posters these are. Now, Bhujanga Asana, Sarvanga Asana, Dhanurasana, Shavasana, Halasana, Shirshasana, Pavana Muktasana, Sukhasana, Paschimottasana, Shalabhasana, Vajrasana, Uttanpadasana. These are the different forms of the yogasana. Now let's see here the pictures what are given. The first picture, and in a sitting posture. First picture of sitting posture, you have to write down these answers also. I will send you on the in WhatsApp. Okay. Now Sukhasana is the first posture of sitting posture. Sukhasana, in a normal sitting position, that is called the Sukhasana. Now second picture is shown here as sitting on the knee. Okay, with the knee, sitting on the knee, that is called the Vajrasana. Second one is the Vajrasana. Then third posture, bending the body back or stretching back and holding the legs. Okay, that is called the Dhanurasana. Third picture is Dhanurasana, and fourth one, stretching back our body lying on the floor. Okay, that is called the Bhujangasana. Fourth picture, that is Bhujangasana. Now once again let us see here, Sukhasana. First picture, Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Dhanurasana, Bhujangasana. Now coming to the fifth picture, the person who is lying completely like a dead body. Okay, closing the eyes and lying on the floor, which is called a Shavasana. It is lying, the body is like a dead body lying on the floor, which is called a Shavasana. Now sixth picture showing the legs are bent close to the chest and chin touches the knees. Okay, this position is Pavana Muktasana. Seventh one is standing reverse mode, touching the head on the floor. Okay, touching the head on the floor, that is called a Shirshasana. Shirshasana, on the floor, the head is touched. Other position, eighth picture is shown here. Eighth picture, Paschimottasana. Paschimottasana, bending the body and touching the face or nose on the knees, that is called Paschimottasana. Here picture 8. Now ninth picture, Uttanpadasana. Ninth picture is Uttanpadasana, stretching the leg upward lying on the floor. Okay, then 10th posture. 10th posture is Sarvangasana. 10th posture is Sarvangasana. 11 is Halasana. 11th posture, Halasana. And 12th one is like a butterfly, stretching the legs backward, is lying on the floor and stretching the leg backward, that is called Shalabhasana. Shalabhasana. Now once again let us see here. First one is Sukhasana, second one Vajrasana, third one Dhanurasana, and fourth one Bhujangasana, fifth one Shavasana, sixth one Pavan Muktasana, seventh one Shirshasana, eighth one Paschimottasana, ninth one Uttanpadasana, tenth one Sarvangasana, 11 Halasana, and 12 Shalabhasana. Now coming to the next chapter, fourth lesson, literature facts. Here there are the names of some persons are given and their pen name. Authors, their authors, their pen names we have to find out, or sometimes pen names are given, we have to find out the real names. These people are the authors. They may be poets or authors or writers. Most of the writers have their original name will not be displayed in the books which they are writing. They have another nickname or pen name which is called a pen name. So here few persons, they are world famous writers. Their names we have to find out. First question is, what is the full real name of the author O. Henry? O. Henry is an author. His full name or the real name. Three options are given here. First one A. William Sidney Porter, B. Harvey Oscar Henry, 3. Guy Davenport. Okay, three persons given here: William Sidney Porter, Harvey Oscar Henry, Guy Davenport. Okay, so three options. Answer is the first option A. William Sidney Porter, and O. Henry is the real name is William Sidney Porter. Now coming to the second question, under what name did Arthur Conan Doyle wrote? Okay, so Arthur Conan Doyle, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, he used to write detective novels. Okay, detective novels. Actually, what was his real name? T.S. Eliot. And option B, his own name. He wrote in his own name. And option C, Samuel Butler. The answer is option B, second one, his own name. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle wrote stories or novels in his own name. Now, different pen names were there. Now, third question, what is the real name of the English novelist who wrote under the name of George Eliot? So, the George Eliot was the name given, in the name of George Eliot, someone else wrote. Okay, what was the name, real name of the person? Harriet Poynton, Mary Ann Evans, Fanny Evans. Three options are there: Harriet Poynton, Mary Ann Evans, and Fanny Evans. Option B is the right answer, Mary Ann Evans. Now, fourth question is, Dhanpat Rai Srivastava wrote under a pen name. What was his name? Dhanpat Rai Srivastava. His pen name was Premchand, Sharat Chandra, and Vedavyas. Premchand, Sharat Chandra, and Vedavyas. What is the option? Option A is the right answer, Premchand. Dhanpat Rai Srivastava wrote in the pen name Premchand. Now, fifth question, one of the most famous authors of all times occasionally wrote under pseudonym Boz, B-O-Z, Boz. What was his real name? George Orwell, Charles Dickens, Aldous Huxley. Three options are there: George Orwell, Charles Dickens, Aldous Huxley. So his pen name was Boz. The option is B is the right option, Charles Dickens. He wrote in the name of Boz, B-O-Z. Who wrote Tiger, Tiger, Burning Bright in the Forests of the Night? Who is the author of Tiger, Tiger, Burning Bright in the Forests of Night? William Blake, Oliver Goldsmith, Lord Byron. Okay, three options are there: William Blake, Oliver Goldsmith, Lord Byron. Answer is option A, William Blake. Okay, he wrote the book Tiger, Tiger, Burning Bright in the Forests of the Night. Now, question number 7, who wrote Wings of Fire? You might have heard this. Wings of Fire. Who wrote? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Option B is the right answer. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote Wings of Fire. Question number 8. Samuel Langhorne Clements wrote under the pen name. What was the pen name of Samuel Langhorne Clements? Mark Twain, J.K. Rowling, Emily Brunt. Mark Twain, J.K. Rowling, Emily Brunt. Answer is option A, Mark Twain. So Samuel Langhorne Clements wrote under the pen name Mark Twain. Now last question is who wrote A Voice of Freedom? A Voice of Freedom. Harisena, Sushmita Dasgupta, Nayanthara Sakhal. So option is third option, C option. Nayanthara Sakhal is the author of A Voice for Freedom. So here J.K. Rowling also wrote a book, The Cuckoo's Calling. Cuckoo is a bird, the singing bird. The Cuckoo's Calling under the pen name Robert Galbraith. J.K. Rowling so pen name was Robert Galbraith. He wrote a book, The Cuckoo's Calling. These are the two lessons. Please note down and learn. We'll come to the next chapter in the next class about fifth chapter, adjective.